If you want to use +2 Mindspace with plus key on OnePlus 15R, then here's what you can do. So with the plus key that is here on the left side, you can, for example, press once in order to recognize the content that you have on the screen, to essentially make a screenshot and then save it in the Mindspace. So as you can see, if you do this for the first time, we also have a little introduction that you can check out. We need to, of course, agree to use the Mindspace and so on and so forth. So there we go. So if you press the plus key once, then we will take a screenshot and save it into Mindspace just like that. And there we go. We can of course tap on the notification in order to see the summary, for example. You can also ask questions and so on and so forth. You can add remarks as well. Now going back to the settings of the plus key, here we can also see that we can press and hold the plus key in order to start recording an audio. So this can also be used as some sort of a quick recorder in order to, for example, say your thoughts out loud and save them into the Mindspace. So now if I press and hold this button, if I do this for the first time, I need to choose the voice input language. So let's try that again. Some more permissions that we need to grant. All right, and now finally we are recording ourselves. So once you let go of the button, then you should be able to quickly add the recording into the Mindspace. And of course, you can ask questions about the recording as well. There's also a transcription, and just like before, we can add remarks. And besides that, we can double press the plus key in order to quickly open the Mindspace. So whenever you want to open it, you can just double press in order to jump to the Mindspace just like that. Now, in case you want to find the plus key settings, you can of course open settings on your phone, and then you should be able to scroll down in order to find plus key customization. So you can, for example, make sure that plus to Mindspace is set up. Leave a like and subscribe.